We have this awesome HP Omen PC to give away to one of you lucky viewers. Over the coming weeks, we're going to be posting more details regarding on how you can enter the giveaway. So make sure to join our Discord, follow our Twitter, and follow our Instagram for more details. And keep an eye out, guys. Now, this particular system has an RTX 3090 inside, so it is one beefy system. Now, today we're going to be customizing this system and chucking in a power supply cover. The theme is going to be Rainbow Six Siege, and we might even do some glass etching on the front. So with that being said, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. To activate all of Windows features, head on over to u2key.com. Purchase a Windows 10 Pro key for as little as $9.46. Use offer code DBI for 40% off. That's a fraction of retail price. Copy your key and paste it here to activate. You can also enjoy all softwares with our 20% discount code DBIA. So the first two steps have been complete. We created our design in Adobe Illustrator, and now we have laser etched this panel right here. Now I decided to go for a longer panel instead of actually curving up and over the power supply shroud, because as you guys can see, we have a lot of cables down here. Now the idea behind this is, hopefully by the time we put this in place, you guys can see that it blocks off a lot of those cables, so it cleans it right up. So now what we're going to be doing is we are going to be painting this a black color, and then we'll probably put some vinyl stickers on here. We need to keep in mind that this portion has the 30 L logo that is on the front panel. So we can't put any of the Rainbow Six logo here. We'll put it over here, and it should look really nice and clean it up. After that is done, then it is time for the front panel etching. So it's time to paint this. This particular paint is Rust-Oleum, and it actually has built-in primer, so there's no need for me to prime this plastic. However, if you want to do this for yourself, make sure your paint either has built-in primer, or make sure you do prime it first before applying your paint. So we're going to do about 2 to 3 coats of this, depending on how well the finish is. This is a flat black as well. I seem to prefer the matte or flat blacks over the gloss. So let's go ahead, let's give this a paint job, and we'll see what the final result looks like. Now, as you guys can see here, this is not a modular power supply, so we have a lot of extra cables down the bottom right here. And unfortunately, majority of those cannot fit behind there because there's not a lot of room at the back of this case. So what we've done is, instead of making a power supply cover that goes up and over the top, we've done an extended one that covers the front to try and hide majority of the cables here. So you'll see what I mean once I install this. Majority of the cables are hidden, and the focus is taken away from the cables inside the case. Plus, we've also got that sick Rainbow Six Siege custom design. Now you'll also notice that we ended up placing the Rainbow Six Siege logo a little more to the side, not central. That's because we have this 30L design on the top here, so we didn't want that underneath. So there you have it, guys. It's amazing what a little customization can do for a build like this. We ended up doing the etching on the front with the Rainbow Six Siege logo, and of course we made that custom panel in the inside, which helped to hide and take away the attention from all of those cables that were left underneath. Now, if you want a chance at winning this RTX 3090 HP Omen PC, then follow our socials, because coming over the next few days and weeks, we are going to be posting up how you can win this PC. So follow our Twitter, our Instagram, and join our Discord server because we're going to be sharing it all over there. Now, with that being said, please leave your comments down below. What customization did you like for this PC? Did you like the glass etching or did you like the little power supply cover in the front there? As always, if you like our content, consider subscribing. And if you want to help support the channel, Patreon or YouTube channel memberships is the best way to do that. I'll leave that link in the video description if you would like to help support us. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you all in the next one.